Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting recipe to share with you. It's all about making a delicious and nutritious green smoothie. Not only is it super easy to prepare, but it's also packed with amazing health benefits. So let's get started. Step 1. Gathering ingredients. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. For this green smoothie, you'll need 2 cups of fresh spinach leaves, 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of chopped cucumber, 1 cup of pineapple chunks, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of coconut water, or any liquid of your choice. Ice cubes, this can be optional. Step 2. Blending the ingredients. Once you have all the ingredients ready, it's time to blend them together. Start by adding the spinach leaves into your blender. Follow it up with the chopped cucumber, ripe banana, pineapple chunks, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. Now, pour in a cup of coconut water to give it a refreshing twist. Step 3. Blending techniques. To ensure a smooth and creamy consistency, blend the ingredients on high speed for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. If you prefer a colder smoothie, feel free to add some ice cubes into the blender as well. Blend until you achieve your desired texture. Step 4. Pour and serve. And voila! Your green smoothie is ready to be enjoyed. Pour it into a glass or a mason jar, and you can garnish it with a slice of pineapple or a sprinkle of chia seeds if you like. Cheers to your health! But before we wrap up, let's quickly talk about the incredible health benefits of this green smoothie. It's loaded with essential nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants from the spinach, cucumber, and pineapple. These ingredients contribute to boosting your immune system, enhancing digestion and promoting gut health, providing a great source of hydration, supporting healthy skin and hair, aiding in weight management, increasing energy levels. That's it for today's video on how to make a refreshing green smoothie. We hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy the numerous health benefits it offers. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. Stay tuned for our next video. Remember, your health is in your hands. See you soon. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and stay healthy.